Hey guys, I'm JP from PlumPot Academy, one of the mentors helping you guys with learning different stuff like electronics, programming, PCB design, and building cool stuff. I'm making this video to announce that because of COVID and just the craziness that's happening with you guys not being able to go to school now and you're going to be stuck at home for a while, we are making PlumPot Academy online material for free for a whole month when you sign up in July, and it will also be free for the people already signed up. And then if you sign up in July, you will only pay 50 Rand a month. That's it. There's no catch. So if you don't enjoy the free month, you can cancel, but you will always just pay 50 Rand a month. So you're paying 50 Rand a month to learn about how to build and design things. Have access straight with me. You have my number. You can always just message me if you have questions. So yes, that's what we want to do for you guys, because I think we as Africans, it's time for us to become more creative, try to be solution driven, and I feel that this type of learning and trying to push the boundaries is a great way for you guys to learn how to do that. I made a small walkthrough of the website, how the whole website works, but basically the online material is broken into sections that you slowly learn about electronics. So you'll learn about resistors, you'll learn about capacitors, things like that. And I know at the beginning it might seem, but why do I need to know this? This is so boring. Why do I need to know that a LED needs a resistor to limit the current? If you've been following us, we've been making these cool things like this chessboard where it teaches people how to play chess. We built this own keyboard which we use in our computer to type. But we could not do this if we don't understand the basics. So it's like anything in life. You cannot run if you cannot walk. So we have built it in such a way, the website, that you slowly start from the top, learn about different electronics, learn about programming, learning about PCB design, and then you can build something cool. But we're creating a community. So if you have your own idea what you want to build, I challenge you to send me a message. JP, I've got this idea. I want to water my garden automatically every day at 2 o'clock. And we will have a chat and I will tell you, okay, we can maybe think of this. I will try to make you give the ideas, because that's how you can learn how to give ideas. And then we can just work towards building what you want. But you cannot build that until you know the basics. So when you look at the capacitors, when you look at the resistors, think about the end result. Once you know this, you can make such cool things. Okay guys, that's enough of me talking. The next part of the video will just be me walking through the website. You can see what to expect in the tutorials, and then sign up. That's free. You've got nothing to lose. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe. Crazy times ahead, but as always, we always come out well at the end somehow. Until next time, guys, don't be afraid to send me messages. I'm always happy to help. Bye. So let me walk you through the website. So in our homepage, you'll see a welcome message from me, just welcoming you to the website, explaining a bit about it. And at the bottom is where we are interested in. So we've got three sections at PlumPot. We've got the online learning material, we've got our DIY electronics kit, and we've got our electronics club. The electronic clubs is based in Port Elizabeth, South Africa, and here you can book a class to work with one of the mentors in person, building, creating, and learning. The DIY electronic kits is a kit that we designed to be cost effective, easy to use, and easy to learn with. So what these kits are is especially 3D printed pieces that you can use to magnetic connect to circuits to make your own first circuit. So when we look at it, it's one of the kits below, and then on top here you'll see tutorials for the kits. So each week we add some tutorials as we grow the kits, but basically, as you can see here, I take you through the whole process of electronics, what you get in the kit, explain about the batteries, about how to connect batteries. I explain about LEDs, about resistors, how a resistor works, how Ohm's law works, how to see the colors of the resistor, how to know the value of the resistor, how to make a circuit. So these are the kits that we designed. So using magnets and some electronic components, we can easily make a circuit that we can represent in real life. And then with text, there's always video explanation, as some of us learn in different ways. Another service we offer is the online learning material. This page we update once a week with new material, so you can learn every single week a new concept. We've broken up in different sections about basic electronics, programming, making your own PCB, and then making a real world project. We did this for a reason. You need to know the basics of electronics to get to the end of building something nice. So yeah, I've built my own keyboard, I've built my own line following robot, but I could not have done this if I don't understand this parts and I don't understand how to program. So it might seem strange, why do I need to learn about a resistor? Why do I need to learn about an LED? Because you need those components to build real life applications in the world. So if you want to join the online material PlumPot Academy, all you have to do is click on any tutorial and a page will pop up saying, okay, you can either log in or join. So all you have to do is join now and then follow the instructions, and then you can start viewing the material. So here's the example of our resistor tutorial. You can see we explain the different types of resistors, where they are used in the real world, and then we speak about Ohm's law, a very important part of electronics. And then we've got a video explaining how Ohm's law works, how to use resistors in series, resistors in parallel, important things like that, real life connections, how you can view it in a schematic world. And then every single tutorial also has a test. So this is basically just for you to test your knowledge. It's not, you're not going to pass, you can't fail. It's just for you if you want to do it. So all you can do is just type in your name and then you can start your test. So what's the main purpose of a resistor, and then what the color bands of a resistor represent, things like that. So after every single tutorial, you can test your knowledge. Let's have a quick look at the LEDs. So the idea of this tutorials, it goes from one to another. So the introduction, then we can learn about the batteries, then we learn about the resistor, and then we learn about LEDs, because you need a battery and resistor to put on an LED. If you do the tutorial, you will know that. So then we can just quickly look, how does LED look like? Where do we use it? How does it work? How do we turn it on? Because the voltage of LED is actually different depending on the color. And how do we connect it? Why can't we just connect it straight? Why do we need a resistor? I explain everything here. How do we calculate the current going through it? And then I also show you guys how to connect it to a breadboard in the real life, so you can actually build it at home while doing this tutorial and then see the light go on. And again, there's a little test, no pressure, do it just to see what you understand, what you might not understand, and it's just a fun way to see if you understood what you read. And then, as always, you can always ask us questions. So this is what PlumPot Academy makes different. You always have direct access to me. So on the bottom right here, you'll see my name. Ask me a question. Ask me, JP, but why 1 ohm? Why can't I make it 100,000 ohms? I want you guys to start thinking and ask questions, because that's how we learn and that's how we make creativity, and that's what we want to achieve. So that's a run through of our website. To be honest, I'm actually quite proud of this website. I did it myself. Also learning on the internet through sections like this from other people. So there's a very good way of learning through the internet online. And why not add more sections here about how to create your own website, how to do video editing. So the PlumPot Academy will definitely grow into more tutorials. And for the monthly fee, you'll always have access to every single tutorial we add every week.